Welcome to RenovationX, where every piece of furniture is a story waiting to be told. Dubai is a city that thrives on innovation and luxury, and when it comes to interiors, nothing speaks louder than expertly upholstered furniture. Imagine walking into a living room that feels like a five-star hotel or a bedroom that wraps you in comfort and style. That is the magic of upholstery, and at RenovationX, we are here to turn those dreams into reality. From the moment you step into a space, the upholstery sets the tone. It's the first thing you feel when you sit down, and it's the texture your hands graze when you lean back. At RenovationX, we understand that upholstery is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sensory experience. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the world of upholstery in Dubai, where craftsmanship meets creativity and luxury meets functionality. In Dubai, trends in upholstery are constantly evolving. The city's love for opulence is reflected in fabrics like velvet and silk, often paired with intricate patterns or metallic accents. But the demand for sustainability is also on the rise. Many homeowners are now opting for eco-friendly materials that blend luxury with responsibility. At RenovationX, we offer a curated selection of fabrics that cater to both aesthetics and ethics. Whether you envision a modern minimalist look or a bold, eclectic vibe, our experts guide you every step of the way. Beyond fabrics, the artistry behind upholstery is what truly sets RenovationX apart. Our craftsmen are masters of their trade, with years of experience turning raw materials into stunning furniture pieces. Every chair, sofa, and wall panel is a testament to their dedication. They don't just work with fabric, they sculpt spaces, infusing each project with character and charm. Watching them at work is like witnessing art in motion, from the careful cutting of fabric to the precise stitching that brings a piece to life. At RenovationX, we believe that upholstery is not just a component of interior design but a fundamental element that defines the character of a home or business. Imagine entering a space where every piece of furniture exudes sophistication, where the colors, textures, and patterns come together to create an atmosphere of comfort and elegance. The upholstery doesn't just enhance the visual appeal, it elevates the entire experience of the room, making it warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. We specialize in turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary sanctuaries where every detail speaks of care, craftsmanship, and unmatched quality. Dubai is a city where aesthetics are paramount. From its iconic skyline to the intricate designs of its luxury interiors, every detail is meticulously crafted. This is the standard we uphold at RenovationX. Our approach to upholstery is deeply rooted in understanding the essence of each client's vision. Whether you're a homeowner looking to add a touch of luxury to your living space or a business owner aiming to create an unforgettable ambience for your customers, we tailor our services to meet your unique needs. We don't just upholster furniture, we transform it into statement pieces that define the identity of a space. The journey begins with a consultation where we delve into your preferences, lifestyle, and the functionality of the space. We believe in creating upholstery that is as practical as it is beautiful. Our expert designers guide you through an extensive selection of fabrics, colors, and patterns, ensuring that every choice complements your existing decor while adding a layer of personality and sophistication. The fabrics we offer range from the opulent richness of velvets and silks to the understated elegance of linens and cotton blends, catering to a wide spectrum of tastes and styles. But it's not just about choosing the right fabric. The craftsmanship involved in upholstery is what truly brings it to life. Our skilled artisans are masters of their craft, with decades of experience in the art of upholstery. They approach each project with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every stitch, seam, and fold is executed to perfection. The process is a harmonious blend of traditional techniques and modern innovations, resulting in furniture that is both timeless and contemporary. From tufted headboards to intricately patterned cushions, every piece is a testament to our commitment to excellence. One of the aspects that sets RenovationX apart is our ability to cater to a diverse range of needs. Whether you're looking to refurbish a single chair or revamp an entire property, we approach each project with the same level of dedication and enthusiasm. For homeowners, This could mean reupholstering a beloved family heirloom to give it a new lease on life or creating custom furniture that fits perfectly within your space. For businesses, it could involve designing seating arrangements that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also provide maximum comfort and durability for high-traffic areas. Dubai's dynamic lifestyle demands interiors that are both stylish and functional. At RenovationX, we understand the importance of durability, especially in a city where homes and businesses are constantly evolving. Our upholstery solutions are designed to withstand the test of time, ensuring that your furniture remains as stunning as the day it was completed. We use high-quality materials and advanced techniques to create pieces that are resistant to wear and tear, making them ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. Moreover, we are committed to sustainability, recognizing the growing demand for eco-friendly options in interior design. Our collection includes a range of sustainable fabrics and materials that combine luxury with responsibility. By choosing RenovationX, you're not just investing in your interiors, you're contributing to a more sustainable future. Our team is always on the lookout for innovative solutions that minimize environmental impact without compromising on quality or style. The impact of expertly upholstered furniture goes beyond aesthetics. It has the power to influence mood, enhance productivity, and even improve overall well-being. A well-upholstered chair can provide the ergonomic support needed for long hours at work, while a luxurious sofa can create the perfect setting for relaxation and socializing. At RenovationX, we understand these nuances and strive to create furniture that aligns with your lifestyle and needs. Our goal is to make every interaction with your furniture a pleasurable experience, whether you're hosting a gathering, enjoying a quiet evening, or simply admiring the beauty of your space. When it comes to commercial spaces, the stakes are even higher. In a competitive market like Dubai, the design of your interiors can make or break your business. Restaurants, hotels, and retail outlets need to create environments that not only attract customers but also leave a lasting impression. Upholstery plays a pivotal role in achieving this, and at RenovationX, we specialize in creating designs that are both functional and visually striking. Our team works closely with businesses to understand their brand identity and translate it into interiors that resonate with their target audience. Imagine walking into a hotel lobby where every piece of furniture exudes luxury and sophistication, or a restaurant where the seating is not only comfortable but also enhances the overall theme of the decor. These are the kinds of spaces we create at RenovationX. Our commercial projects are tailored to meet the specific needs of each business, from selecting fabrics that are easy to maintain to designing furniture that maximizes space without compromising on style. The result is interiors that elevate the customer experience and set your business apart from the competition. As we delve deeper into the world of upholstery, it's important to acknowledge the emotional connection we have with our furniture. These are the pieces that witness our daily lives, from the joyous celebrations to the quiet moments of reflection. They hold memories, tell stories, and become an integral part of our homes. At RenovationX, we take pride in being a part of this journey, creating furniture that not only serves a purpose but also enriches your life. Thank you for choosing RenovationX as your partner in transforming your interiors. We invite you to explore the endless possibilities of upholstery and discover how we can bring your vision to life. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or add subtle elegance, our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Together, let's create spaces that inspire, comfort, and reflect the true essence of luxury. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest home innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose RenovationX. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933 or visit renovationx.ae. For daily inspiration, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at RenovationX, where we showcase our latest luxury transformations. Join our prestigious client list and experience the difference that true luxury makes. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.